It's beautiful early part of the day here in Bandung. I'm kind of in the local neighborhood area right now, so it's lovely and quiet over here, which is good. I'm kind of using maps right now. I'm gonna go for the breakfast right now. I want to get a local dish called Mie Yamin. I do wonder if I can go through here. Hopefully. There's a carpet over here on the ground, but I don't know if I can walk on it. Can I go? Okay. Good. I'm not sure if I should walk on the carpet with my flip-flops. I don't want to stain it. I don't know, maybe they only walk barefoot on it. But the restaurant should be nearby over here, so yeah, can't wait to try it out. This is my last day over here, and right now it's 11 a.m. It's very sunny. I just woke up 8 a.m. today. My hotel, for some reason on the booking app, they didn't tell that they're doing renovations. So 8 a.m. they started banging the hammers. I was like, great. So I look a little bit sleepy because of that. It's 2 days I stayed over there, and yeah, 2 days of not very good sleep, so yeah. But honestly, I don't mind waking up earlier. I do want to get this habit going already. Hello, sir. Yeah, I think, was he a police officer? I'm not sure. Maybe. But he wanted to say hello, which is very nice of him. Hello. Hello. Bye-bye. Friendly local kids over here. And I think the restaurant is just around the corner over here. Should be somewhere here. Oh, it's good to be like in the quiet part of the town. Honestly, like it's actually pretty nice. This is quite quiet considered in Indonesia, I would say. Even the traffic over here, like it's not too busy. But the spot should be somewhere around here, I think. The Mie Yamin, some sort of noodle dish, but somebody recommended me, so we might as well go try it out. I think that's not here, so maybe this shop. I don't even understand. Is it somewhere around there? Sometimes those maps are not the greatest. Might need to cross the road. Okay. Let's try to safely cross the road here. Maybe it's around here somewhere, but I can't really see. Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
You know Mie Yamin restaurant?
Mie Yamin restaurant before in here.
Oh, it's closed.
Close, I think.
Really?
Have a look.
Yeah, maybe it is this one.
Oh yeah, yeah.
This one.
It's before in here,
Oh,
but
okay.
now I think it's close.
Do you know where I could get Mie Yamin? around here?
Yamin. You just walk from here, yeah,
Yeah.
and go to the left, yeah, and the right side.
How far is it?
Maybe 500.
500 meters.
meters.
So do you know
follow
on
this.
the map?
No.
I'm
Lomie.
Is it this?
You just write Lomie.
Oh, this.
Lomie Palasari.
Okay.
This is
Yeah, right. Yeah. Can you write for me?
Lomie Palasari. It's quite good, yeah.
Okay. Nice.
This
6 minutes.
Yeah.
Oh, good.
6 minutes. Yeah. You just walk from here, yeah.
Okay.
Lomie Palasari.
Okay.
It's quite good.
Oh,
You just
you speak good English.
now a little bit.
So it's this way. You
Yeah,
sure?
this way. Yeah, just follow this road. Go to the left and the right
Yeah.
side. Yeah,
Yeah.
maybe 500 500 meters.
Yeah, the maps are so weird because the map
shit.
it's like,
Like that.
but it's okay. I'll find it.
Yeah,
I'll
that's
just start walking and see when I end up.
Don't go to the right side. Yeah, just left.
Left.
Left side.
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you very much. You
Yeah,
speak good
welcome.
English.
No,
Yes.
just a little bit.
How do you learn English?
In school.
School.
Yeah, it's cool.
Ah.
6 months maybe.
Ah, nice.
Well,
Good.
where are you from?
From Europe.
Europe.
Europa.
Europa.
Ah,
Okay.
okay.
You have to learn Indonesian language. Yeah?
Yes, bahasa.
Bahasa
I try to.
Indonesia
I try, of
harus-
course, but
Harus.
yeah.
Sunda is the best, I think.
Sorry.
Sundanese language bagus.
Yeah.
Bagus.
Okay. Where are you going?
Lomie. Just wait for my son.
Ah.
Yeah.
What are you doing now? You picking up your son?
Learning, yeah, pick up my son.
Ah, okay.
That's right.
All right, sir. Thank you very much.
You're welcome,
All
sir.
right. Bye bye. Okay. Well, that's good. At least we're gonna find the restaurant now. Somewhere. Just keep heading this way. Well, almost get hit by the car over here. Okay, well, let's see when I'm gonna make some progress and get closer. How lucky that I had this man over here speak good English as well. Wow, amazing. That's great. That's funny. He came with a motorbike.
By motorbike.
Oh my god, thank you so much. That's so funny. What's your name, sir?
Acep.
Huh?
Acep.
Acep.
Acep, yeah. It's
Acep.
difficult to spell.
Oh, that's Indonesian kindness. You wanna eat?
No.
No?
Come to Bandung alone?
I'm gonna leave today actually. I'm gonna go back to Jakarta today.
Jakarta.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's Lomie Ayam and bakmi.
Here.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, that made it a lot quicker.
Yeah. Bakso kuah or Lomie Ayam is nice. Ini dia ayam mie yam.
Mie Yamin.
Yamin ayam. He just asked to.
Yeah. He work here?
No.
No.
Work here.
Yeah. Okay.
Inside.
Oh, thank
Okay.
you so much.
You're welcome. See you sometime.
Okay, bye. How cool is that? Hello. Can I get Mie Yamin?
Yamin manis asin.
Yamin.
Manis
Yamin
asin.
manis.
Asin.
Ya,
Manis.
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 Tadi kan bilang
Mie Yamin.
Bikin berapa?
Satu ya. Sir, what do you have here? What is that? Lime? How much one?
air putih.
Air putih.
Air putih mah ini.
Okay. Berapa? Ribu.
10.000.
Hah?
Ini. Ras.
Yeah.
Pakai gula.
Yeah. Present. Berapa?
10.000. 10.
10. Okay, 10,000. I'm not so good with local language. Next time I'm in Indonesia, I definitely I need to start learning the local language because it makes sense over here. Over here, people don't speak that high level of English, you know. There are a lot of people who speak very well, but there are also a lot of people who cannot speak almost like very little, you know, very basic. So, yeah, in this kind of countries, you know, it makes sense to learn the local language because your daily life is actually a lot easier. So, how do you? So this is my. This one.
Manis. Manis.
Okay, manis, yes.
Asin, manis. Okay, yeah.
Say Mie Yamin.
Yeah.
Mie Yamin.
Bro, pakai ini.
Hot. Yeah. Yeah, maybe a hot is okay. Yeah, I don't know. I don't want to gamble so much with the ice.
Hangat nih.
The gamble of. I have my train to Jakarta today, so. Ah,
Pegang dulu.
thank you. Pay later, okay? Okay. Ah, enak. Very sweet and nice. That's good. Enak. That's one of the, you know, even when I was in Malaysia, I say set up. Or set up. They also use set up over here as well. This is the noodle. That's my breakfast. They also have chicken feet here. I wonder if I'm gonna get chicken feet.
Chicken, suku.
Chicken iris-iris ini. Chicken.
Okay.
Boleh.
Chicken feet. That's so funny here. Oh, that's actually fire, this drink. It's very sweet. It's actually pretty nice and warm as well. With ice, of course, I know it's gonna be nice with ice, but I'm actually surprised, you know, that it's actually pretty good when it's warm as well. I feel like I don't want him to put the chicken feet in because I wouldn't really eat it. It kind of feels like a waste. Bakso. Mantap. Bakso mantap. Enak. Ah, okay.
Monggo jagung kan.
Monggo Mas, monggo.
Thank you. Yeah, that looks actually really nice over here. And once again, like the soto Bandung in the previous restaurant, this one is also quite big of a dish actually. Didn't expect to get that much food, but here I am. But that's gonna be good, you know. I will be probably good until Jakarta with this food. So yeah, I don't know where to start. Yes, I'm gonna start here with the soup. Let's try the soup. Wow, really nice. This place is getting really busy right now. Look, some girls are coming in. There's some families over here. Yeah, really stacked. You know, it must be also quite good restaurant because as it is so busy, it's usually a good sign. It's a good restaurant. Let's try it out. This soup stock is nice. Let's try the bakso, the meatball. It's really nice actually. The bakso tastes really good. I wonder what is that? I have no idea. And they even have some veggies some leaves inside here. That's nice. Lovely dish so far. This is some sort of shredded chicken with some noodles. So busy here now. Came on the right time to skip all the busyness. Now I understand why he said it's a little bit sweet, because definitely is a little bit sweet. And the shreds of meat actually go really well with the soup. It's gonna be quite a dish for me. Kind of interested to know how much does it cost. You look at that green kind of lime looking things, you think it's lime, but it's actually orange. This is like more like an orange juice. Yeah, really nice. Sweet, really good noodle dish. I wonder, is it more popular? Is it popular in all over in Indonesia, or is it only like popular in Bandung? So this dish is 23,000 noodle, and this very good deal actually. This one was 10,000. Also very nice. Very affordable spot. I'm not surprised why it's so popular. They wrote it out for me. 23. I think 3 is 3 then. 23. One this Mie Yamin and
44.
43.
Ya.
Okay. 5.000. 5.0, it's okay. That's okay. It's okay.
Yuk, thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you, bye. That was definitely a very good breakfast. I ended up drinking 2 of those drinks actually. I couldn't have 2 Mie Yamins because one was already quite a challenge, but I now have to find my way back to the hotel, which is gonna be 8-minute walk from here. Well, that's it. I want to say thank you for joining in on the breakfast with me. It was a lovely breakfast. I hope that you enjoyed the Bandung video series, and if you haven't seen the other Bandung videos, I'll put the links in the description box below. Thank you for watching.